AI does not replace testing expertise, it amplifies it through intelligent prompting. Generative AI is turning IT and engineering from code-centric disciplines into knowledge-driven ecosystems. It does not just automate, it amplifies human creativity and accelerates innovation cycles. The opportunities are transformative, however, challenges are equally significant. Managing hallucination and reasoning errors requires constant vigilance and validation frameworks. The ISTQB Certified Tester Generative AI Syllabus is important because it is the first standardized framework that addresses the elephant in the room. Everyone is already using AI for testing, but without proper guidelines. This certification establishes a unified foundation covering 5 critical areas: understanding LLM fundamentals, mastering prompt engineering, managing AI risk like hallucination and biases, implementing LLM-powered infrastructure, and creating organizational roadmaps for AI adoption. For the first time, we have a systematic approach to transform testing from reactive experimentation to strategic AI integration. As a co-author, I contributed to developing the comprehensive framework that spans from technical prompt engineering to organizational transformation strategies. ALTEN's involvement positions us as thought leaders in AI-driven testing. We are not just adopting these practices, we are defining them. AI will become as fundamental to testing as automation is today. The future lies in hybrid intelligence, combining human creativity and domain expertise with AI's pattern recognition and generation capabilities. I envision AI-powered testing environments that continuously learn from project patterns, automatically generate comprehensive test strategies, and provide predictive insights on system quality. However, success depends on professionals who master both testing as a profession and AI collaboration.